In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide product price in Wix Studio. Full 2026 step-by-step tutorial. If you're designing a menu or product list and want to hide prices, maybe for a soft launch, a price on request model, or a seasonal update, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in Wix Studio without touching code. We'll work right inside the editor, adjust the display settings, and confirm the change visually so you know it's applied correctly. Start by heading to your Wix account. From the main dashboard, look to the left and choose the site that contains the menu where you want to hide prices. This ensures you're editing the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've selected the right one, click Design Site to open the Wix Studio editor. Give it a moment to load the canvas and all your site panels. Inside the editor, open the home page first so the site structure is active, then locate your menu page in the Pages panel. If your menu is named something else like restaurant menu or services, use the same process. Just find the page where the price appears. Click the page to open it on the canvas. With the menu page visible, click directly on a price element within one of your items. This targets the specific part of the component that controls price visibility. You'll see the top action bar update with controls for the selected element. In that top bar, click the gear icon to open the settings for this component. This is where you manage what content fields show up in your design. In the settings, go to the display section. Here, you'll find toggles for which fields are visible, such as titles, descriptions, and prices. Turn off the price option. If your component provides a single toggle that controls all prices in the list, turning it off will hide them across every item automatically. As soon as you untick it, look back at the canvas. The prices should disappear from the menu items. That visual confirmation means the setting is applied. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Use Preview to double check that prices are hidden across the entire list and on different breakpoints like mobile. If your menu uses a repeater or collection, hiding the price on one item usually applies to all items connected to that component. Remember, this change is visual only. Your price data stays in your collection for future use. When you're satisfied, proceed with your normal publish workflow so visitors see the update. And that's it. Your menu now displays without prices.